Hello friends, welcome back to Rabi Hobby. Me and Archie are in North Carolina today. We came here to celebrate our Christmas and New Year with family. My mom, dad, brother and sisters lives here.
Who got the most of the property?
And today we are making Bengali
Really, Archie?
dal stuck puri, Radhaballabhi.
How many properties you got, Archie?
While all in home are playing Monopoly,
Okay,
me
thanks.
and sister-in-law are cooking. Actually, she is cooking and I'm shooting.
Okay, okay, we will.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on.
Why'd you? Oh,
And
that makes sense.
I want.
What you
Let me
made
see
the
your
full
cards.
round, right?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Let me see my. Why do you want to see my cards?
Do you have the yellow one?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
For that, we have here urad dal soaked in the water overnight and grinded. Here have all-purpose flour, ginger and green chili paste, and mix of the urad dal. Not all, just a little bit. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Salt to taste.
Be like your Dadaji. Always buys property. Every day.
Even in the real life.
Add some oil.
Don't wait for property. If you have money, just buy.
पानी नहीं डालना है.
It's always.
And add some water, combine it well and make a nice and soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Set it aside for half an hour. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the dal filling. In the hot oil, add a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed,
Ajwain.
1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of kalonji.
Ginger and green chili.
Add the ginger and green chili paste in it. Roast it a little bit. And now from the spice box, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder.
It's not from me.
Now add the urad dal in it and cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes at the low temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder and salt to taste. Here my brother jumped in the kitchen to clean the pan. Let's move on to making the halwai style aloo sabji. Cut the tomatoes and potatoes. Add oil in the pan. Now add the boiled potatoes and fry the potatoes. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste.
ये लीजिए $220.
My dad is watching cooking channel while he's playing Monopoly.
Now it's my turn, right?
Take the potatoes out and add more oil in the same pan. Pinch of asafoetida. Teaspoon of cumin seed. Ginger, green chili, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, and turmeric powder. Add some hot water, mix it well, and add it to the pan. Cook the spices for a few minutes. Add some green chili. Now add tomatoes. Salt to taste. Add a teaspoon of mango powder. Some Kashmiri red chili powder. Now add potatoes in it. Now add hot water in it. Add generous amount of coriander leaves. Mix it well and let it cook for 10 minutes at low temperature. Now add a little bit of fenugreek leaves and a little bit of dill leaves. Mix it well and here is your halwai style aloo ki sabji is ready. Now let's do the last thing. Fry the puri. Fill the dough with the dal in it and using the rolling pan, roll the puri and fry it in hot oil. Bengali cuisine is known for its meaty, delicious and rich flavors. Hidden within the same realm is this iconic Radhaballabhi too. Bengali's favorite breakfast kachori. India has a wide variety of kachoris, which shows the culinary diversity within various cuisines, reflecting the diverse culture of the country itself. Among them, Radhavallabhi stands out of its hearty taste with a blend of sweet and spicy filling and a history revolving around Vaishnavism.
600. Got 6. You got 6 right there. I don't want 6.
अभी सबका रोमांटिक हो सकता है इसको
And now here is your Bengali breakfast plate is ready. Enjoy.
ये लो आर्ची लो ये लो हरा मिर्चा के साथ
How is it? Vasu, come here.
ग्रीन चिली
Here, Vasu. We still haven't known. कैसा है? अच्छा. Good?